Hey there shoppers, it's Amy. I am inside now, but I'm about to take this bad boy out. It is the W10. It is an HD camera drone. So cool, so amazing, really, really fun toy. I'm about to take this out over to Adam's house from 911 Studios, and we are going to play with this and have a lot of fun. So the rest of the video, I'm just going to be kind of showing you what this is like and talking about all the features. Let's kick it off right about now. Okay, so you guys can see all of the setup and all of the parts that you get with this. Everything is really high quality and it comes with absolutely everything you need. You're gonna get your manual, of course, and that's gonna be a good to read through so you figure out how all of your controls work, all of the settings, all of the features, all of that good stuff. It's really a quick start guide, which I appreciate because it's just gonna get you going really, really fast. It has a 5-volt battery and charge. There's a USB cable. When you see the LED light of the USB plugs on, the charging is complete. You will see how to install the camera onto the bottom of the drone. It will also show you how to attach the mobile device holder. There is an app and you'll see that in the manual as well. And all you have to do is just scan the little QR code and it will come up in the App Store or the Google Play Store, whichever you have. And when you connect to Wi-Fi, you'll be able to download the app, connect the drone to your phone and control it all from your phone. Really, really cool. And you'll notice too that the device holder is really, really sturdy, so you never have to worry about your phone falling off, and it's gonna fit whatever phone you have. This drone is awesome because you can alt hold to have it just sort of stay in place. That will allow you to take pictures of one thing in particular or get really good video, or just kind of hover over a particular area. It has auto takeoff and landing, so it's gonna make it easier for even novices to really, really do a great job of flying this drone. It has headless mode. There is a replaceable battery, 2.4 gigahertz control, Wi-Fi. It takes photos, it records, and it's all HD. You are also going to get extra propellers. So if yours happen to get damaged or scratched up, it's very, very easy to take those and switch them out to new ones. Make sure you have a strong GPS signal. Maintain sight of your drone, so don't let it get super far away, and fly below 400 feet. So that just tells you how high this thing will go, because it can go really high in the air. So you can take photos or videos. So there's a camera button on the back of the controller, and you do a short press to take a picture. To take a video, you press and hold it for 2 seconds of take video. Press and hold the button again to finish and save the video. You can see everything that's going on inside the app on your phone, so that way you will know and be able to review the videos and pictures as you save them. It has one key return, so to get your drone to fly home to you, all you have to do is press the H home button on the back of your remote. The drone will fly back towards your remote. All of the aircraft functions are really, really awesome. There's a speed mode, a headless mode. What this means is that the drone is going to fly according to the control direction on the remote, no matter which direction the head of the drone is facing. It's going to fly according to your control direction on the remote controller. I think that this really makes it a lot easier to fly and is great for people that are learning to fly a drone. So you guys, this is a really, really fun drone. It makes a perfect Christmas present. It's at an amazing price point. It looks really cool. It's really, really fun, and it's going to give you all of the functions of taking HD pictures, taking video, using your phone to control and see what's going on and connect to an app with your drone. You're really, really going to enjoy this. This is a great way to get outside, to get some fresh air, to enjoy learning a new hobby, a new skill, and having fun with your family. Everyone is gonna really, really love this one. It's gonna be the most popular Christmas present under the tree. I'm gonna leave all the information for you below, so definitely, definitely check it out. Have fun shopping, and adios, amigos.